Are you tired of stubborn programs that just won't uninstall properly? Or maybe you want to keep your PC clean and running smoothly without the clutter? Today, we're diving into Revo Uninstaller, a tool designed to help you remove unwanted software efficiently. But the big question is, should you go for the free version or the pro version? Let's break it down and find out which one is truly worth your time. Revo Uninstaller free version. Let's start with the free version. Even without paying a dime, Revo Uninstaller free packs some serious power. It completely removes programs, leaving almost no trace behind. It has forced uninstallation, perfect for stubborn apps that refuse to go. Hunter mode is a clever feature. You simply drag the Revo icon onto any program or window, and it uninstalls it instantly. And for safety, it automatically creates a system restore point before uninstalling, so you can roll back if anything goes wrong. The free version is lightweight, effective, and great for casual users. However, it lacks some advanced tools that might be necessary for power users. Revo Uninstaller Pro version. Now let's talk about the Pro version. This is where Revo Uninstaller really shines. The Pro version has a more powerful scanning engine that detects leftover files, folders, and registry entries, ensuring your system stays truly clean. Real-time installation monitoring means every program you install can be tracked, making future uninstalls even cleaner. It supports batch uninstallation, so you can remove multiple programs at once, perfect if your PC is cluttered. You also get extra tools, including a junk file cleaner, browser extension manager, and a startup program manager to optimize performance. And pro users enjoy priority customer support, which can save you time if you run into issues. The main downside? It comes with a price, so casual users might not need all these advanced features. So which one should you choose? If you just want a simple and reliable uninstaller, the free version does an excellent job. But if you're a power user who wants to fully optimize your PC, remove leftovers, and manage installations like a Pro, Revo Uninstaller Pro is definitely worth the investment. In the end, it comes down to how deep you want to go with cleaning and managing your software. Both versions are excellent tools, but for ultimate control and advanced features, Pro takes the win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more software comparisons and PC tips. Which version do you use or are planning to try? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.